Hello, hello, bonjour, bonjour. We are Thursday, the 2nd of August, and since I haven't done a video in French, in English for a while, I'm gonna do this one in English. Quickly, the tiles, the tiles, the tile. That's what I want to show you today. So I have been doing all my cuts for along the wall. I hope you can see. Yeah, you can see clearly. And to keep them, I've put numbers so that I know where they go. And voila. And I was even able to reuse some cut to go elsewhere and so on. So I don't know. Everybody's been telling me that I will have more cuts than putting it straight, but yeah, I don't think so. Voila. So tomorrow I glue all those, and then I will glue the full one over there, leaving for the day after tomorrow. So there will be Saturday. The edges again on the other side. Voila. Nice. I'm happy. Oh yeah, and the tool to do that. The tools to do that. It's this cutter. With your hand, you cut with your hand. That's how it goes. And the other one, my Ryobi, with water and diamond blade. Voilà, I'm going to take a shower. Doei!